afternoon. My name is Kyung-so. I'm a student of Nanobiomedical and Electronics and a member of Semiconductor Integrated Device and Processor. Today I'm going to talk about the resistive switching device for neural field computation. So what is the neural field device? Even if the current digital computers progress rapidly, if we simulate the brains with the digital computer or the supercomputer, they need a lot of power compared to the brain, like this. So therefore, the researchers are now investigating on the neural peak device. Neural peak device that can mimic the neuronal function with one single chip and build the electrical brain. So the brain consists of this kind of complicated neural network, and it consists of this one neuron, the nerve cell. And we focused on this part of synapse, the one part of the neuron that to mimic how the brain neurites or running from the outside world. Yeah. So this is the motivation of our research, to overcome the current digital computers' limitations, such as the low efficiency of the von-Neumann virtual programs or the scaling issue, as well as to study the complicated neural networks by mimicking the neuronal function of the brain. So we especially focused on these synapses of the neuron to mimic this kind of synapses by this kind of resistive switching device. Because of this resistive switching device have multiple conductance. They can have multi-level of conductance, and also they can make this kind of simple two-way coordinate structure similar to the biological neuron. So therefore, we believe that if we make this kind of device, we can make the high efficiency as connectivity, scalability, and the simple processing neural device can be accomplished. So this is how the resistive switching device works. When the voltage is applied, the oxygen of the layer is removed. Therefore, the thickness of the device is changing. Therefore, the resistance is also changing. If we apply the positive bias, the resistance is high to low. And if we apply the negative bias, the resistance is from the low to high. Therefore, this kind of multi-level conductance can be done. And this we fabricate this kind of cross array. Therefore, we can mimic the synaptic function, that summing the electrical signal from the other neuron to the electrical device. And this is the STDP graph of the synapse function and the biological one. And this is our result of STDP graph from the device. So this can show the potential. It can mimic the synapse to the electrical device. Thank you for your attention.